We'll be here through the week, including Thursday and Friday, the days of the G20 Summit. And our main goal is to make sure that those world leaders and their finance ministers know that unemployment is a crisis that they can't ignore. They can't just say that there's a recovery and forget about those who have lost their jobs and their homes. They have to have programs that address this, and it's an emergency crisis.
Well, I'm here because, we feel like the issue of jobs is so prominent, and, personally, I have so many friends. I have friends in New York, friends in California who are all, have been looking for jobs for months and months and can't find anything. People with, master's degrees. And so, we really feel like this issue needs to be exposed. And so anything we can do to kind of raise the consciousness about, there needs to be a fight for jobs. There needs to be a struggle, and we're better to bring it than to the meeting where all of the big heads of business and the financial bankers are going to be here this week. So that's why we're here.
We called this press conference today just to show everyone the space that we're working with. This is the main area. You can't see very much of it right now since it's filled with the press. But this is where we hold meetings, make signs, have trainings. It's just a space to come together. It's also open to the public at all times. We have lots of walk-ins. We have lots of information here. Well, we're an anti-authoritarian group, so that's slightly different. We object to all forms of oppression and repression, the domination of the world by the capitalist economy. So we're a group of Pittsburghers, essentially, that came together when this event was announced, when the G20 Summit was announced, to try and put together a framework in which people could come together and have a voice and resist and disrupt the G20, because we believe that it's bad for Pittsburgh and bad for the world.